And good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. As always, I'm your favorite crypto enthusiast, Lightliger here, and today I'm gonna be showcasing you guys this new DEX aggregator that I found out called Rango Exchange. And this basically allows you to transfer assets between multiple different DEXs out there, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Terra, and also Cosmos ecosystem. So no longer you just need to go through every exchange, deposit there, and then change back and forth. These are basically supporting these all big chains which everybody is using right now, and you can transfer assets pretty easily with this application. But without further ado, there's going to be an IDO next year for their Rango token, which is going to be governance, I guess, that allows people to vote for what type of assets are going to be added here in future, and etc. And who knows, they might even do an airdrop as well for the early users. So definitely you want to check this out. And here is a bit of a tutorial also, but obviously you want to look through this video how to do it. Now there's a couple of wallets that are supported here. XDeFi, which is kind of like up and coming wallet, something that I have to review at one point. Terra Station, MetaMask, Harmony One, Kepler, and Binance Chain Wallet. And there's multiple chains here: Polkadot, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and a lot of exchange solutions here as well. So let's jump into the actual application here and show how it's basically done. So the first thing here, you can log in with your multiple different wallets here. I'm going to be using MetaMask here since that's what we're going to be using for our testing. So I want to move some Cosmos, and there's going to be a couple of approvals that you have to do here for each of the chain that you have listed here. You don't need to approve all of them, just the ones that you're using. So what we're going to be doing here is I'm going to be exchanging some Atom, and I currently don't have much here, but I have little, so I'm going to be 0.5, and I'm going to be transferring that into BNB through Binance Smart Chain. And this is whole process here, how much of fees there's going to be. Obviously it's going to be a couple of those which are going to be going through all of these routes. There's going to be estimated arrival time, all these types of things. And okay, I apparently didn't connect all the necessary wallets. And here, by the way, you can see all of your assets that are listed through multiple different chains that you have, which is very convenient. There's also a history page. They also have an affiliate program, so in case you want to support me, you can sign up through that link down below. But let's choose a bit more easier task here. What we could be choosing here. Let's try another way. So moving up Polygon, or perhaps let's move Binance Smart Chain tokens. 0.10 Binance Smart Chain into BNB. Let's say where we could transfer it into Matic, or we could transfer it into Matic. And here's the root, the total fee. And we're going to be swapping, confirming the swap. And now it's going to be moved in from BNB, and it will go through Matic. So we will be getting now Matic in exchange for BNB from Binance Smart Chain to Matic's Polygon. So that is very convenient. That's how easy this is done. And obviously because it's routing through multiple different pathways, as we saw the different pairings there, it's going to be taking a different amounts of time. You have to always remember that if you're using Ethereum or something else, there is going to be forms of routing which is going to be going through multiple hoops. And if the chains are slow in general, like Ethereum or Bitcoin, it's going to be taking a bit more longer time to go through all the confirmations. And now we're going to be confirming the route here. Sometimes, obviously, because you are swapping assets to different routers, there might be some approval fees. You can always see here the preview, obviously, of different routes that it will take. So obviously more times you use. Okay, failed to call smart contract. Let's view the details here. So we got stuck in here. Okay, let's try again. And now we have the DAI, which was converted just a minute ago. and we can choose back into the static Polygon. Let's try this again. Confirming swap. So it went through already like a one swap, and now it's going to be going through again. And now we're just waiting for the Polygon to basically run through. Right now, you're not probably able to change the actual wallet. Like, let's say you wanted to send something to your friend, you can't manually add the address there. So you have to be the custodial of the address when you're using MetaMask, for instance. So now we're seeing here, okay, this is indexing still. But let's look into some of the other aspects here. So there's documentation here, obviously, for change logs and tutorials, and how much they're adding things. And this was released back in summer, and they have done a lot of different things here, and it seems to be like coming along pretty nicely. There's an FAQ section for all the fees, so they don't take any extra fees on these transfers that you will be basically doing. Obviously, remember, if you're routing through different chains, there's going to be a bit more fees, but ultimately it's going to be faster and perhaps cheaper, because you have to deposit to the normal exchange, and there you're going to be paying a bit of a more premium price, and then you're going to be paying usually that withdrawal fee, which with some of these chains is actually a lot more higher on places like Binance and etc. And yeah, they do have a referral program here. It only works for certain chains, and you get paid in tokens and stable coins as well, something to look into. And obviously there is that token, and who knows, they might do an airdrop, so you might want to do a couple of swaps on the site in case they decide to. No guarantees, obviously. And they do have Twitter, Telegrams, and Mediums where you can basically get more information or talk to the staff to basically get things running. But I'm not going to be waiting here 5 minutes for the transaction to go through, but I will let you know, obviously, in the comment section how it went through and etc. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video, whenever it may be, and good luck.